Imagine waking up to find your bank balance higher than when you went to sleep. This isn't a dream, it's the power of passive income. While you rest, these 7 specific assets work tirelessly to generate wealth, breaking the cycle of trading your precious time for money. As Warren Buffett famously said, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Traditional jobs limit you to 24 hours a day. But assets are infinite. They scale and grow without your constant physical presence. The first asset on our list is dividend-paying stocks. These are shares in profitable companies that literally pay you for being an owner. When companies like these earn a profit, they distribute a portion back to shareholders. This creates a direct flow from company success to your bank. Reinvesting those dividends creates a snowball effect. Over time, your small initial investment grows into a massive, self-sustaining mountain of wealth. Next, let's talk about high-yield savings accounts and CDs. Most traditional banks pay almost nothing in interest, essentially losing you money. With inflation rising, your cash loses value every day it sits still. High-yield accounts help you outpace inflation with minimal risk. By moving your emergency fund to a high-yield account, you ensure your money is constantly working, even while it stays liquid and safe. The third asset is digital products. Once created, an ebook or online course can be sold thousands of times with zero additional cost. The internet is a global marketplace. While you sleep in one time zone, customers on the other side of the world are clicking by. Automated sales systems handle the delivery. You build it once, set up the funnel, and watch the notifications roll in every morning. Fourth on our list, real estate through REITs. You don't need millions to own property or deal with the headaches of being a landlord. Real estate investment trusts are required by law to pay out 90% of their taxable income as dividends to investors like you. It's the easiest way to add real estate to your portfolio. You can invest in massive shopping malls or medical centers with just a few clicks. Fifth, automated content channels. Platforms like YouTube allow you to create evergreen content that generates ad revenue for years to come. By combining ad revenue with affiliate links, you create a dual stream of income that keeps paying long after the video is uploaded. You film the video once, and it serves thousands of people simultaneously. It's the ultimate example of decoupling your time from your earnings. Sixth, peer-to-peer lending. You can act as the bank by lending small amounts of money to individuals or small businesses online. While this carries more risk than a savings account, diversification is key. Never put all your eggs in one basket. By spreading your investment across hundreds of different loans, you minimize the impact of any single default while earning significant interest. Finally, index funds. This is the set it and forget it king of passive income, tracking the performance of the entire stock market. An S&P 500 index fund gives you a piece of the 500 largest companies in the US with a single investment. It's simple, effective, and historically one of the most reliable ways to build wealth over several decades without any active management. Building wealth while you sleep isn't about getting lucky. It's about choosing the right vehicles for your money. Start today by picking just one of these assets. Subscribe to Click to Finance for more strategies to reach your financial freedom. Thank you for watching. Your journey to passive wealth begins now. We'll see you in the next video.